How to increase the undo sent mail time limit to 30 seconds on Gmail. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can increase your time limit to the undo sent email to 30 seconds. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, you have to open your Gmail browser, then go to the gear icon on the top right corner, open the See All Settings option that pops up, which will lead you to this page over here, and as you can see, there's an option here called Undo Send. The send cancellation period right now is set at 5 seconds. You can press the top down menu and select 30 seconds. After that, just simply scroll all the way down to the page and press on Save Changes. Your changes will be saved and Gmail will reload. Now I'll be showing you a demo of this feature by composing a mail. Here I've sent a mail and now I can wait for about 30 seconds and the undo prompt will still appear there. And there you go. That is how you can increase the undo sent mail time limit to 30 seconds on Gmail. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.